Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Toyota Highlander. Stock number is A7790A. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels wrapped with Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are clean all the way throughout. Up top you have a sunroof and a cargo rack. One more look down the passenger side, then swinging around to the back end. This Highlander is all-wheel drive. Taking a look in the hatch, there's a 60-40 split on the seats, so you can fold those down if you need more room. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used car dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Inside, audio and cruise controls, climate control, full stereo including a CD player and a tape deck, and your automatic transmission is here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Highlander on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.